Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a lock screen pin on your Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. So let's scroll on down from the top and then go to Settings and then scroll on down under this section until we get to Security and Privacy. Then the top option right here is Lock Screen Passcode. Use a PIN/password to protect the data on your Fire HD 10 tablet. So make sure this is checkmarked. And then you can easily set the passcode. Then also we have the option to change the passcode right here. So let's confirm the current passcode and then we can change it. So let's type in 2222. Then we can create a new passcode. So let's just type in 1111 and then we can confirm it and go to finish. Then at any point in time you forget your passcode completely and you want to go ahead and reset it. Just type in a bunch of random things and you'll get to a screen where you can completely reset your passcode. So let's just type in a bunch of different passcodes. And then we can go to our Amazon account and we can reset the passcode by using our password. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.